Now, here you see that from the reflecting surface we show that all the 4 pins are in a appears that they are in a straight line. Now, remove this prism. And now what you find here, you see that this is the prism. The name of the prism is ABC. Now see this one. This is the prism, right? This is the incident ray. This is the refracted ray, and this is the emergent ray, right? Now, if we write that this is ABC is the prism A, B, C is the prism, and DE is the incident ray, and F is the refracted ray, and FG is the emergent ray, right? Now you have to find the angle of deviation. What is the angle of deviation? Angle of deviation means this ray, this incident ray, how much it deviates from its original path, right? Suppose this one, if there is no prism here, then the straight line, the incident ray will go in this direction, right? But when the prism is here, this incident ray got reflected. After that, it is the emergent ray. That is the angle between the emergent ray, and the incident ray extended, and this angle is the angle of deviation, right? We will measure the angle of deviation also. Now find what we got, that DE, angle of prism, that is angle of prism. Angle of prism is equal to 60 degree here. Angle of prism is 60 degree, and DE is equal to incident ray. And EF is the refracted ray. EF is equal to refracted ray. Refracted ray, and FG is equal to emergent ray. What is the angle of deviation? Here you see, if this is the incident ray, it will go in this direction if there is no prism in between. Since there is prism, there is a deviation of this incident ray in this direction. How much deviation? This angle is the angle of deviation. Let us measure the angle of deviation of this prism. In this prism, here you see, this is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray EF, and FG is the emergent ray, right? And we find the angle of deviation, this angle, that is F. If we name it FH, this is suppose H, or this angle GH, I is the angle of deviation. We will find this angle. This angle is the angle of deviation. Let us measure with the help of protractor and find what is the angle of deviation. Let us take these pins Now, with the help of protractor, let us measure the angle of deviation in this prism. Here you see, we are measuring the angle of deviation. Here you see that the angle of deviation is 60 degree. Here you see angle of deviation, this one, that is 60 degree. The angle of deviation is 60 degree. Therefore, we are writing here that the angle of deviation is equal to 60 degree. Angle of deviation is equal to 60 degree, right? And angle of incident ray. What is the angle of incident ray? That is, let us measure the angle of incident ray. The angle of incident ray is also 60 degree. Angle of incident ray is equal to 60 degree. Angle of incident ray is equal to 60 degree, right? And let us find the angle of emergent ray. Let us find the angle of emergent ray. Let us measure the angle of emergent ray. Here also you see the angle of emergent ray is also 60 degree. Angle of emergent ray is also 60 degree. Angle of emergent ray okay. In this way, you can find the angle of deviation in a prism. What you find, angle of deviation of this prism in this prism is 60 degree, right? How to find? We find the angle of deviation in this prism. Angle of deviation and we find that angle of deviation. We found that the angle of deviation in this prism is 60 degree. You see, this is the angle. Let us explain again. This is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray, and this is the emergent ray. And the angle of deviation is this one, GHI. This angle is the angle of deviation. Angle of deviation means how much the incident ray deviated from its path. This is the incident ray. If extend this one and it is deviated by this angle, that is angle of deviation. And in this prism, what we find that the angle of deviation is 60 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.